So both you and student will start with their task using this starter project link. Okay, so all the images have been already uploaded. Also, there is a audio clip which can be used, and then both you and student can start coding in the session. By remixing this starter project link. Now, this sample output that I have shown is just for teacher's reference. Now, let me just quickly explain what the code here does. So, what we are doing is we are creating an animation of rocket launch. Animation is nothing but the bunch of images that are played one after other, right? So just like a flip book animation, tells a story. When you flip a certain number of images one after another, it gives us an uh, it gives us an impression of animation. So here what we are doing is we are creating one scene after another. The very first scene that is there is of seeing a steady rocket, okay? And after that we are launching it in the air. So these are some of the costumes. This is the steady rocket, okay? And then this is the code for it. So initially when we are hitting the green flag, we are switching to this rocket fully assembled image, so we will simply see a rocket that is there, okay? And then we are going to show it for 5 seconds. That is why wait 5 seconds, and then we are going to hide it, and then we are going to go ahead with the next image, okay? So here uh, what we are doing is whenever we are giving a scene of launching the rocket, we are basically moving that particular costume upwards, okay? So for upwards, y is the coordinate, or y is the value that we are going to change. So that is why this entire code is there. So everywhere we are changing the y location, y position by 1 2 3 2 5 till 11, okay? And there is also a wait for 1 second. So in within whenever we are doing the countdown of 10, 9, 8, 7, we are basically making the rocket to lift off, okay? And then this is a little bit of additional effect that is given whenever the rocket launches. There is some kind of a foggy texture that we want to show, so that is why this code has been given. This is the costume for that, okay? So students can design this costume if they want. Then this is just the base line which is shown, and then this is of course the announcement person. So I've added this image from the internet. Towards the end, whenever when all the coding is done, you can get an image from the internet and change it. So students can also know how to get an image from internet, download it and upload it in the scratch and use it as a costume. So for that I'm going to make a different video. Students can do it either as an extension task or as a homework, okay? And last but not the least is the audience. So I'm going to basically weave this entire story using these sprites. One is the steady assembled rocket, then the person who is making the announcement, then there is this audio which is doing the countdown and the rocket is getting prepared for the launch. Then there is this audience who's waiting for watching the live uplifting of the rocket. And then finally the rocket is going into the space. So this is all the coding that is there. So you get started with the starter project and do all this coding in the trial class.
Stand by for countdown. T minus 20 seconds.